Hi, everybody. I thought I would do a little video to send along with a document that outlines my top 11 things you need to know about the FMLA. The document goes into more detail and offers some backup. So the FMLA is a sometimes complicated law depending on the situation. You don't need to know everything about it, but you do need to know that number one, you can be held personally liable for FMLA violations. Yes. That means you as well as the company can be sued. Number two, know to be on the lookout for any serious health condition. That means inpatient hospital care, and this is where it gets tricky, continuing treatment by a healthcare provider. Number three, know that the FMLA covers not only the employee's serious health condition, but also for an immediate family member who is experiencing a serious health condition. It also covers the birth of an employee's child and adoption or foster care. This applies to both male and female employees. So number four, let HR know if you know something that might possibly qualify for FMLA. You don't have to decide, and it's probably safer for everybody if you don't. Number five, in the end, it is incumbent on the employer to offer FMLA, even if the employee does not expressly request it. This is why number 2 and 3 are important. Your knowledge is the employer's knowledge. So remember number 1, too. Number 6, FMLA is not elective. Employees cannot decline it. Allowing this could come and bite you in the assets one day. Number 7, FMLA is not just job protection for employees. Designating time off for FMLA is also in the best interest of the employer. I've always made it a practice to start the FMLA clock. Number 8, there is a 5-day requirement from the time of request, that also means your knowledge, to provide employees with specific notices and paperwork. This reinforces the need to notify HR. Number 9, employees returning from FMLA should be restored to their same job, same pay, same benefits with no consequences. Number 10, FMLA can be taken intermittently. See the document for an example, but basically it doesn't have to be taken in big chunks of time. Number 11, there is a healthcare provider certification process that I recommend for all situations, with the exception of birth. That's not permissible. And for a sudden surgery or accident, in those kinds of cases, I usually just send out all the paperwork designating and improving the time as FMLA. So please call me with questions, and I hope this helps.